Have you ever wanted to reply smartphone messages when working on PC, and feel the screen is too small to input? You hope to work both on PC and smartphone, but it's so inconvenient. Now we recommend a solution for you. When working on PC, all you need to do is pressing Alt plus F2. Screen, keyboard and mouse will be switched to control smartphone immediately. Let's see the demonstration. When you work on the desktop computer, your smartphone happens to have new messages that you need to reply at the same time. By pressing hotkey Alt plus F2, you can switch your smartphone screen to PC screen and work on it. Then you can use the PC's keyboard and mouse functions to work on your smartphone accordingly. No need to use your smartphone's tiny keyboard with frustration and inconvenience. Our product can make your operation easier and avoid you from eye fatigue and neck pain. Furthermore, our product can use the same keyboard, mouse to play multimedias from smartphone. Besides, you can control the smartphone's volume, mute and other more functions anytime. Or enhance your operating experience in all kinds of apps, such as FB, YouTube, Twitter, Office software, and so on without limitation. By easily pressing the hotkey Alt plus F1, you can switch back to the PC working status again anytime. This product is very suitable to be used at work and at home. We believe this smartphone and PC keyboard, video, mouse switch should be your best choice.